Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an electronic signature very easily. So for an example, I have this contract. This is a very simple sample contract, and here I want to add my signature just above the name, right? Now the common practice can be you can just print this document, and then you can sign this document by hand and then scan it once again and then upload it once again. But this process is really cumbersome and tiring, right? I just want to be able to add my electronic signature directly in my Word document or in any other kind of document. Now keep in mind, I'm not going to show you how you can create a digital signature which is encrypted, which is unique for you yourself only. I'm just simply going to show you how you can create a very simple electronic signature image which you can use directly into a Word document or a PDF document or wherever you want to use your signature. So for that, what you need to do, you just need to open your Android phone and then just search for digital signature in your Play Store. Okay, so when you search for digital signature in your Play Store, I generally use this app which is called Digital Signature Electronic Signature, which have the good rating also and a decent amount of downloads. So I'm going to just click on install button, which is going to install this app on my Android phone. And once this app is downloaded, I'm going to just click on open, which is going to open this app. I'm going to just click on allow here, and now I have all these options inside this app. So to create a electronic signature, you can just click on this option which says create signature, and once you do that, you will be able to create your signature here. So now in this app you have the option to choose the pen or the marker, whatever you want to choose. So for example, pen will look like this, the marker is going to draw like this. Okay, you also have the option to erase your signature and once again rewrite your signature once again. You have the option to choose the size of your signature, and you also have the option to choose the color for your signature. So you have all these options. So I'm going to go with the blue color signature, and I'm going to use the pen for that. And once you are ready, you just need to draw your signature by your finger. It's very simple. I'm going to just draw my signature here, and once this signature is drawn, I can just click on this green save button. So just press on save button, which is going to save my signature into the gallery. So you can see this says this signature has been saved as PNG with transparent background in the app gallery as well as the photo gallery. So you can find the signature in the app gallery or the photo gallery. So I'm going to just click on OK. And once this is done, and in the others option, I have this signature PNG directory. So I'm going to just click on signature PNG directory, and then I'm going to just open this signature. So you can see I have my signature here, and then I can just share the signature. I will just click on share, and then I can share it on the WhatsApp or email or whatever app you want to choose to share the signature to your computer. Okay, so basically you just need to transfer this signature file to your computer. Whatever means you want to choose, you can choose that one. So once you have transferred your signature file on your Windows operating system or Mac operating system, it's going to look like this. This you can open with, for example, the Paint app or Paint 3D app, and you can resize this also. So for example, I can just open this signature using Paint 3D app on my Windows operating system, which comes by default on your Windows 10 operating system. So I'm going to just open this signature there, and if I want to crop this, I can choose this option, and I will be able to crop this signature like this, and then I have the option to save it. So I'm going to just click on menu and then click on save as, and then click on image, and then you can just give the name to your signature file and then save this signature. So this is how you can crop your signature. So once you are happy with your signature, what you can do, you can just go to your Word document or any other document where you want to insert your signature, and then click on insert, and then I'm going to just click on picture and then click on this device and choose my signature from here, and then click on insert, which is going to insert my signature into the document. I can resize this signature also, and then I can also change the position of the signature, and then I can change the position of the signature also. And also I have these options on at least the Word document if I want to use the signature in different kind of wrapping. So right now it have inline with text wrapping. I can choose this kind of wrapping also, and I have more options here, right? So this is how you can create an electronic signature for you and use it in your documents without scanning or printing that document. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.